Greetings, CUIN 7316 students, and welcome to week 4 of our course. This week we are moving into a new section, all focused on blended learning. It's a really exciting section in this course, and I'm really excited to learn alongside with you as we go through this material. As you jump into week 4, you're going to see there'll be an introduction to the module right here. That's where you're watching this video. But you're actually going to start off by jumping into a Khan Academy course. You're going to click on this link. You can log into Khan Academy if you want to. Up here at the top, there would be a sign in. You can use a Google account for free to get into this. And you're actually going to walk through this blended learning uh, online course from Khan Academy. Take you about an hour, it's not too long, but you're going to go through each of these modules, and it's mostly video driven. There is one little page inside of here that has a brief article for you to check out. But I think this is a great introduction to blended learning. It's better than I could have done, so I figured instead of recreating the wheel, let me take you to a good course that really does an excellent job of introducing you to blended learning. As you move through forward in the course, the second thing I want you to check out is the different instructional model, the big picture idea, excuse me, of what blended learning is and is not. So you're going to open up this article and give a quick review of what blended learning is and isn't. It's not pulling up in that view. I'll double check that link to make sure it works for you. Moving into the third section here, you're going to go into check out a little bit more information about the blended learning models. In the Khan Academy video, the Khan Academy course talks about 4 of the 7 blended learning models. So I want you to check out this blendedlearning.org page to dig into some of the other blended learning models here. Each one of these has a brief video associated with it, so you can learn a little bit more about that topic. And then some of them also have model in action, which is just a text review of what's going on inside of that blended learning model. I really want you to check out each of these areas and get an understanding for each of these models before we start digging deeper into them. This is just base information. Starting next week, we'll dig deeper into each one of these. So check out each of these 7 models to get to build that basic understanding. And then that's it for this week as far as new content. And then what you're going to do is move into this week's discussion post. Your first topic is pretty simple. It's just a reflection on blended learning and some of the key benefits you saw with this as an instructional model. The second thing I want you to do is do a little bit of investigation on your own. I've introduced the 7 blended learning models for you, but what I want you to do is do a little bit of research and find a blog post, an article, video, or other artifact that digs deeper into one of those 7 models. So go do some online research on your own to learn a little bit more about one of these 7 models, maybe one that particularly spoke to you or you thought would be valuable, and then discuss some key concepts you pulled from that artifact that you're sharing with the class and why you thought it was important to share with your courses with your course mates. So that's it for this week. It's just a quick introduction to blended learning, and I hope you learn a lot and enjoy this experience. Thanks.